Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fix Windows 11, default gateway is not available error. First method is type edit power plan in Windows search bar, click edit power plan. Click change advanced power settings. Click and expand wireless adapter settings, click and expand power saving mode, change maximum performance, click apply, click OK. Second method is click start, settings, click network and internet, click advanced network settings. Disable and then re-enable Wi-Fi adapter. Third method is click start, settings, click network and internet, click advanced network settings. Click network reset, click reset now. Fourth method is type CMD in Windows search bar, right click run as administrator. Type net sh space, int space, ip space, reset. Type net sh space, winsock space, reset. Type ipconfig space, /flush DNS. Exit and restart system. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.